Hi viewers, welcome to my channel, MKK The Daily Pulse, your one-stop destination for cricket updates around the world. Let's dive into the thrilling action from Day 2, Session 3 of the third Test match between India and New Zealand in Mumbai. With New Zealand ahead by 143 runs, every single run is crucial, and India's bowlers are feeling the heat. Ashwin, the magician with the ball, pulled off an incredible catch that had everyone on the edge of their seats. It was a pivotal moment, showcasing his sharp reflexes and cricketing acumen. The match statistics tell a gripping story. India, battling tough batting conditions, managed to post a decent score, but New Zealand, with their disciplined bowling attack, kept chipping away at the Indian lineup. The final scores at the end of Day 2, India 225 all out, trailing by 143 runs. New Zealand in their second innings already looking strong at 60 for 2. With the pitch deteriorating and the pressure mounting, both teams know that every run out there counts. The fourth innings chase is going to be a nail-biter, and the tension is palpable. Remember folks, cricket is a game of inches and split-second decisions. Ashwin's catch is a testament to the fact that in cricket, anything can happen. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hasta la vista. Namaste.